iPhone SE2 is one of the most anticipated smartphones in 2019. No one knows when it will be released. No one can imagine whether the release will take place at all. No one knows even the approximate price at the start. Apple knows how to keep such things secret. But designers draw concepts, Asian media produce fake insights, and fans of the American company eagerly absorb any information, hoping to see the premiere as soon as possible. As a result, in recent months, iPhone SE2 has become something semi-mysterious. In Cupertino, a new device may never be delivered at all, but naive and patient fans of the brand will still wait. How did that happen? Everything is elementary. People have a very short memory, but a rich imagination. This story began in the spring of 2016, when Apple released the long-awaited iPhone SE. The smartphone turned out to be powerful and neat. Buyers liked it because of the size. It is convenient to hold with one hand, a good camera and a very decent battery. Alas, the price at the time of release was wildly. For example, in Russia, for a 16GB version of the device, they asked for 38,000 rubles. Therefore, the budget that the iPhone was not called. However, 1.5 to 2 years later, the high point of the first SE began. This happened as soon as the 4-inch radically dropped in price. In any communication salon you can easily find it. In addition, the minimum configuration has doubled. Instead of 16GB, they now give 32, and there are enough of them to use the smartphone comfortably and not to do weekly removal of garbage accumulated in the memory. But the main thing is that the iPhone SE in a very strange way is not out of date. This item is generally the most amazing. An inexpensive 2-year-old gadget is still not buggy, does not freeze, draws all applications, holds the charge remarkably and is annoying except for the small screen diagonal. However, as it turned out, for many customers, compactness is more important than a large display. Those who purchased the iPhone SE for $20,000 and cheaper, are in complete delight of this device.